Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making Plex aware of your moves. Install Plex Media Server on the machine that will host files, then sign in so Plex can sync settings. Point the server to the folder where your move is live. This is crucial because Plex scans and builds metadata from those files. Once done, create a Movies library and select the exact folder. This tells Plex how to organize titles and fetch posters and subtitles. This first step saves time later and makes playback seamless. Now you let Plex analyze your collection. Trigger a library scan so Plex matches titles, fetches posters, and creates chapters. If a movie is mismatched, you, the viewer, can correct it, edit metadata, or set the correct match to ensure accurate artwork. Make sure subtitle agents are enabled and your preferred language is selected. Plex can download or use embedded subs. Also adjust library scan frequency and optimization settings, because that determines how quickly new files. To watch, open the Plex app on your device, browse to Movies, pick a title, and press play. Simple. If playback stutters, choose a lower quality or enable direct play to avoid CPU-heavy transcoding. This offloads work to your client device. For remote viewing, confirm your server is online and port forwarding or Plex Relay is active. If something breaks, check server CPU, network speed, and that the movie's codec is supported. Update Plex and retry. Often a quick server restart fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.